Welcome back to some more adventures in the city of Chicago with the 2023 Chevy Bolt EV2LT. And this is a film reel of naughty drivers, general absent-mindedness, and even some of my own infractions when I lose patience with my fellow drivers. It's a rat race out there, y'all. There are goofy motorists and pedestrians everywhere in this crazy city of millions. Anyhow, y'all enjoy this film reel. Stay well, stay safe. Ciao, friends.
Oh, you could have taken, what do you call it?
The safer it is, the happier I'll be. What are you doing? What are you doing? Don't be a fucking idiot. Fucking assholes. You ain't gonna beat me? Fuck you. I'm in an electric car, motherfucker. Blow your ass away in this fucking car. Why are you braking? Why are you braking? Why are you braking? Use your fucking signal, asshole. God damn. Aquí donde yo quería ir. Maybe no lo tenían todavía. Look at this fucking idiot. Fucking sat there and waited 20 years to turn and wait till I just show up. Man, people are fucking stupid. Hey man, boy, look at this guy. What is he doing? He's going back to the right. Look at this guy.
Tengo agua, quiero, no soda. Oops. Lleva prisa el Smart F. Mire, mire, mire. Uy, ¿a dónde se quedó?
Yo no sé, mamá. Hay muchos idiotas aquí.
Y con tanto dinero.
Look at this. I saw that. You guys can't move over some more, you dickhead. Look at all that fucking room you have. Fucking bastards. And you say something to them and they get all fucking anal on you. I'm not in the mood for people's bullshit, so. What are you doing, bro? What is this guy doing?
No sé, espero que la luz se pusiera en amarillo. Hijo, se pasó la luz.
What the fuck are you doing?
Turn right onto North Lincoln Park West.
Wow, that idiot in the Lincoln doesn't know how to go around somebody when they're turning left. You're gonna sit there the whole light and wait for them to turn left. Nobody's intelligent enough to go around.
In 400 feet, turn right onto West Wrightwood Avenue. Take the next right onto West Wrightwood
This fucking
Avenue.
lady's too stupid to go a fucking around. Dumb bitch.
Turn right onto West Hawthorne Place.
See this? You can't catch up to me. Going 12 miles an hour. Oh my God. Can you maybe just pull over and let people get past you? This guy right here is going really slow. You see that person right there?
Yeah.
I don't want to be behind him anymore. They were going like 12 miles a fucking hour.
Yeah, whatever you want to do. Well, there's a Jew on the way home.
Oh, look at somebody brilliant here. Look at this fucking idiot. Fuckers are stupid as hell, bro. No, not smart. Don't look in my direction. Just walk. Fucking idiot.
Want some coffee? That's a
No,
cool
thanks.
car. Why did we get one of those?
I don't know. Thanks. Why would you do this shit? Well, at least he moved up a little bit.
Oh, he's not even in the car.
Yes, he is. He's right there. Pay attention, man. Come on, bro. Fucking looking at the ground is more important, dickhead. You've been standing here for a while, you know. Alright, I'm gonna go in this motherfucker. Stupid motherfucker. He's standing there like an idiot. Where these fucking people come from? Yeah, it's not like I'm fucking speeding. Motherfuckers can't move all the way over. No lights and the cops are right behind them. The cops just pulled them over. Wow, everybody just turns into oncoming traffic there. What are you doing, man? Doesn't even use a signal. went by a red or a stop sign.
I know. Dangerous.
You know, people use their signals. Traction control is on.
I can't even fight it. It's calling me to smoke, so I fire up another square and take another toke. I'm
just driving like pussies around here. Shit, man.
I didn't do no paperwork. You heard you gave my paperwork like you're doing. I'm a jerk. You bring your feelings hurt up like I'm a flirt.
Ay Dios, está chiquito eso para una... Para
es de gas.
Bye. Hey, van speed. ¿Te vamos a dar un ticket?
Son policía, pues en que lo quieren.
Ay, no.
So icy boys, baby girl, see
oh, wow. Look at the vortex of wind. Cool. This whole car is shaking. Everything is shaking. Yo entiendo, mamá. Por eso me fui. No tengo paciencia para gente estúpida.
Oh, the car stalled.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, you fucking dumb broad. Fucking smiling like an idiot. Come on, bro. These motherfuckers don't know how to navigate these streets. They take up the whole fucking road. They expect me to go all the way over for them? Nah, bitch. Slow down, you go over. Oh my god, look at these dumb motherfuckers right here. Man, you fucking people are stupid as fuck.